the service catalog. This is where we're going to add our items. But we're not going to go to items yet. We're actually going to go to this section under the service catalog for its drop downs. This allows us to edit the configuration of the catalog. So if I go into my item types here, you can see I have a lot of options on here. I want to make this very simple for us, so I'm going to go ahead and just add a few. Let's add one called labor. Let's go ahead and add another one here called parts. And we'll do one more, and maybe we'll call that equipment. Alright. And I want these to be at the very top of my list when I access my service catalog on an estimate here. Let's go ahead and bring these up to the top. Fantastic. Alright, now that those are created, we are done here. Now I can go ahead and go to my items. Let's go ahead and create a new item. Now I'm already going to have a lot in here, so we've got 1,000 items. You might have 0. Let's go ahead and create a new item. And this is just going to be a labor line item for me. So I am going to go ahead and go in here and select labor. There's our labor, there's our parts, there's our equipment. Labor, 1 hour residential, 1. You don't need to fill this in, but this can be a nice description. This is what you're going to see in the price book initially, and you can expand it to see more. Now from there, if this was an item, I could put in a brand, maybe a product line, the model number, the supplier that I got it from. All of those will be options here. You'll always want to put in what your cost is for equipment or materials or labor cost here. So if I pay my top guy for 1 hour, let's say $40 an hour, the system will actually automatically upcharge that, as you can see right here, and tell me what to sell it for based on my gross profit margin, based on commission, based on my payment methods. Many options go into there and spit out that number. How was that number calculated? If you want to see the details, you can see the details right here. Now if there's other costs to this, you'll see that number continues to adjust. I'm going to be happy with just the 1 hour on here. What type of tax? Let's go ahead and put sales tax on there. I don't need to change my gross margin on this. Maybe I want to be able to override the description when I'm on an estimate, and maybe I even want to override the cost sometimes. So I want to allow my technicians to do that on here. But this is not going to have commission on it. Let's go ahead and save.